welcome to my channel. In this video we'll be taking a look at the Tokyo Treat Premium for April 2021. I know that it's already a bit too late for that, and I actually received the box at around April 1st, 2nd, I can't remember exactly, and it's been sitting on my desk for that long because I was quite busy with my job and my studies, so I didn't have the time to actually do the unboxing. As we speak, the Tokyo Treat Premium for May 2021 is already on its way, and it will probably arrive in a couple of days. So I need to inform you that the next Tokyo Treat subscription box will be the last Tokyo Treat subscription box that I'll be doing for a while. So unless you guys and girls want to see more Tokyo Treat unboxings, and you let me know in the comments, the next one will be the last Tokyo Treat unboxing. My subscription will end. I had a 1-year subscription, and I want to take some time off and check other boxes like Boxu or Wow Box, or I don't know. So if you want to see more, let me know in the comments. If not, the next one will be the last Tokyo Treat box. That's it. Let's take a look at the contents of this box. And it's been sitting for some time, and I got the chance to open it and check it out. This came vented like this. It's no big deal. So this is the catalog. It's got the usual stuff, Lucky Treat and stuff about the Tokyo Treat, about Sakurako, the snack menu, of course. It's got the Sakura Ramune. This is great news for me. I haven't had any kind of ramune, real ramune of course, in a while. I've had like candies that tasted like ramune, but not the real deal. The photo contest with the prizes and all, and some instructions on how to open ramune. This type of bottle, it's still very familiar in Japan. They still use it for ramune, but in Greece it stopped sometime in the mid-50s, mid-60s, I'm not sure yet. We call these type of bottles gazosa, and kids at that time broke the bottles and took the small marbles, and they had a special game that was being called Gazakya because of the bottle that was called Gazosa. So it's great that Japan still keeps this type of bottle. I believe that it gives many kids great memories and all. And of course, last one, the last page is about the Tokyo Treat community, photos and stuff. I'm gonna open this and put it to the side so we can begin real unboxing. And the first item is the Umai sugar rusks. Now, I've had these before. They're great, they're sweet, and they actually taste very good. You've probably seen me do a taste test in the past, so if you get the chance to try this, go for it. It's great. The next one is I've had this one as well before. And this is a classic item. But the next one is the curry turtle crackers. It's a premium item. I've had this before, and I made a joke about turtles and stuff. It's in my past videos. So I see a lot of repetitions lately. I mean, after having Tokyo Treat for a year, I see a lot of repetitive themes here, but it's no big deal because most of the repetitions are actually great. Same goes for the onion taro snacks. These have a very interesting flavor, and I've had these before as well. Now I'm gonna put this here, and I'm gonna try and do it in a little bit hurry because I still have to get back to work and all. This is and this is a classic item. So this is the Mike or Mike, I don't know if it's pronounced in Japanese or in English, popcorn classic salt. Now this is a new item. It's a classic item. and it's actually popcorn, like a classic flavor. It's probably gonna taste like normal popcorn and stuff. Let's try a couple of out. Let's try a couple of them out. Yeah, like popcorn that came out of a bag. Nothing special. I'm gonna put this here. Now, the next one is a tempura fried lemon squid snacks. Now, these small snacks are actually pretty tasty. They have a flavor of squid and lemon, and they're great. And it's a classic item. The next one is the Umaibo Cheese. Now, I've had this one before. It tastes like cheese, like Cheetos with cheese and stuff. Nothing amazing, but it's not bad, it's not good, it's okay, and it's a classic item. Of course, the marshmallow, or not, I don't know. No, it's not a marshmallow. It's fruit donuts gummy. So it's a gummy that will probably taste like fruits and stuff. That's cool, small and cute. Let's put this over here. Let's check this one out. It's Sankako vegetable crackers. I've had this one before, and sorry, I still got some popcorn in my mouth. Yeah, it's not great. I didn't like them. It was like vegetable soup on crackers, and actually I didn't like it very much. I like vegetables, but this one just it wasn't my style, and it's a premium item. I'm gonna put this here. And the next one, it's another marshmallow. Oh yeah, the last one wasn't it was a gummy. Anyway, it's a mushroom. It's like a marshmallow with sakura. That's great and cute. These are dagashi. And that's also a classic item. Now this, and I got a hair. It's probably Japanese hair. It was lost, I don't know. Anyway, I got a Japanese hair. Great. It's a mini monster gummy. Now I've had this before, you know it. It was okay, I guess, like, you know, a piece of gummy and stuff, and it's a classic item. I'm leaving these for last. Now this is Banana Man. Banana Man is here to join the Sakura party. Inside this fluffy Japanese banana marshmallow, you'll find plenty of chocolate sauce that will have you craving for more. Sorry about the shaky camera. You know what? I'm gonna try this one. So yeah, it looks like this. And ooh, smells good. Let's see. Let's try it. Come on. Yeah, it's got some sort of sauce. Let's try it out. Yeah, it was interesting. It's like, it tastes a little bit like banana. It also has the flavor of marshmallow, and you can feel the chocolate. It's not amazing, but it's actually, I mean, it's if I could give it a number from 1 like horrible to 10 like great, I would probably give it a 7.5. It was okay. Anyway, the next one is the that one is also a classic item. And the next one is Sakura Latte Marshmallows. So these are also marshmallows. They look like Sakura. You know what? I've been waiting a long time for these, so I'm gonna open them and try it out. Again, I got a pink and a white. Yeah, I can get this Sakura flavor in these. They were probably an 8. Yeah, an 8 because of the Sakura flavor. And it's a classic item. If you find these, and you like marshmallows, go for it. Next one is the Ramen Shop Taro snacks. I usually eat these with beer, like one mouthful of these and some beer. They're okay. Like, yeah, I like them with beer. I like them. Yeah, and it's a classic item. Now let's take this one out so we can check the last ones. This is a new Mochitaro. So I believe that this is some sort of new mochi or something. Yeah, it's Taro. I'm gonna try them. I wonder if they're salty or sweet. They're probably salty, and it says here that it's a retro snack. So this is how they look like normal Taro. And let's go. They're actually neutral. They're not sweet, they're not salty. Yeah, they're like neutral. You don't get any kind of flavor other than the crunchy feel and stuff. They're irrelevant. Now this is the Sakura Ramune. It's a premium item, of course. It's a great. I mean, I like almost all the Ramune, except for the one that tasted like soup. Yeah, it's with cherry blossoms and stuff, and it's great and all. You know how to open it, and if you get one of these, make sure that the marble, as you drink, stays in here, in these two things, because if you raise it a little bit over, it will roll down and block the top of the bottle, the mouth of the bottle, so you won't be able to drink. So don't get greedy, take little sips and make sure that the marble stays over here, and you'll be fine. I mean, these things are to be enjoyed anyway. They're not for greedy people. They're for those who enjoy drinking interesting drinks. Let's go for the Pringles, you know? Let's go for the Pringles. These are the Pringles Japanese fried chicken flavor, and it's the first time that I get a Pringles box from Japan that is actually normal sized, or was it not? Maybe there was another one, I'm not sure. But yeah, I've been waiting to open this and try it out. So yeah, a lot of you asked me to actually try some snacks while making the video. I hope you get enough of this today. Now, it's broken inside, you know, and I believe that these are actually smaller than the European Pringles. And there's a code or something. If you know how it's being used and if you can see it, feel free to use it. It's okay with me. It's an X7WVWNFPR. If you win anything, congratulations. Yeah, I was hoping for more. It's not bad. It actually tastes a lot like these things. Like it has this vegetable soupy flavor, but it's okay, you know. It's slightly better than these. Anyway, I'm gonna put this over here, and the last one. Ta-da! Drum roll, please. Now these are the Kitkat Sakura, and they are a premium item. I believe that there are 10 pieces inside, probably. Anyway, let's try and open them out. They usually have different wrappings, but these have all the same wrapping. This one is a little bit broken. I'm gonna use this one. Okay. Okay, let's see. This is how it looks inside and all. This is how it looks like. And let's try it out. Now these are actually pretty tasty. I mean, they're Sakura flavored, of course, and this means a lot, but they're actually pretty tasty overall. And yeah, they're good, they're great, not just good, great. I mean, obviously they're not like the peach KitKats that I had, or the strawberry KitKats, but they're actually pretty good. So yeah, if you get these, if you find these, get them. If you like KitKats, you'll love them. I'm gonna arrange everything so you can check the contents and stuff. Now, these were all the contents of the Tokyo Treat Premium for April 2021. If you have enjoyed the video, please press like and subscribe at my channel. And if you want to support me, you can do so at Buy Me a Coffee. You'll find the link in the description below. I hope that you've enjoyed everything. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you next time. Bye.